Wachai, Andi Peparan, Ash Petenra. Hello, my name is Andy. How are you? Let's talk about the Coptic language, Sahidic dialect.
Dementia men praise.
Sahidic is a dialect of Coptic, which is the most recent stage of the indigenous Egyptian language. It was spoken primarily in Upper Egypt, between the cities of Siōut, now known as Asyut, and Pemt, which the Greeks translated as Oxyrhynchus, and is now called Bahnasa. It flourished as a literary language across Egypt from 325 to 800 AD. Sahidic became the standard dialect for Christian texts, including Bible translations, liturgical works, and Gnostic writings such as those in the Nag Hammadi library. The dialect uses the Coptic script, which is based on the Greek alphabet with additional letters from the Demotic script to represent Egyptian sounds. Today, Coptic is no longer spoken natively, but survives as a liturgical language in the Coptic Orthodox and Coptic Catholic churches, especially in the form of the Bohairic dialect. However, there are efforts to revive the language within and outside Egypt. The term Copt originally was used for all Egyptians, it being derived from the Arabic al-Qubt, which was derived from the Greek Aiguptos, which was in turn based on the ancient Egyptian Hutkapta, meaning the mansion of the Ka of Ptah. Over time, as Egyptians adopted Islam and underwent Arabization, the term was relegated to the community of native Egyptians who remained Christian. They primarily adhere to the Coptic Orthodox Church, though a smaller group belongs to the Coptic Catholic Church. Copts have preserved a distinctive religious, linguistic, and cultural heritage, including the continued use of the Coptic language in liturgy and religious scholarship. Historically, they were influential in administration, commerce, and education in Egypt. Coptic culture blends ancient Egyptian traditions with Christian religious practices, maintaining unique art, architecture, music, and monastic traditions that date back to the early centuries of Christianity in Egypt. Despite social and political changes over centuries, Copts have retained a distinct identity within the broader Egyptian population. However, the efforts to revive the language are part of a larger reclamation of Egyptian heritage by Egyptians today, and this has led to growing numbers of Muslim Egyptians identifying with the term Copt. In the next part, let's listen to the beautiful sounds of their language. Numbers.
Wa, Snow, Shomant, Ftau, Diu, Sau, Sashef, Shmoon, Psis, Mate.
Greetings and phrases.
Nofre, Wachai, Miok, Miu, Miuten, Masine, Nanehtoe, Naneruhe, Nofre Ushe, Ashpe Pura, Ashpe Pekra, Areru, Akeru, Ei Nofer, Ei Hose, Nimpe Puran, Nimpe Pekran, Mena Peparan, Terweren Rompe, Kerweren Rompe, Tierche Dafte en Rompe, Ute tu Jope, Ute te Kjope, Anokusah, Uramentunte en Toch, Uramentunpe en Tok, Anguramenkeme, Tesowen entmenteramenkeme, Ksowen entmenteramenkeme, Ehe, Mon, Ayo, Ayo, Roshes, Meshai, Entisowen anentmenteramenkeme, Esche ehne, Esche ehnak, Tishepmoten de ote, Tishepmoten de otek, Manenka, Nanus, Unofen chonef, Phote pio, Phote piok, Ten rompe a woe roach, Ten rompe a woe quoch, Upe pai, Smaat, Timerite, Timeritek, Mapnute wosh, Tichatem pnute, Hempranem pnute, Tiuomem pkenefiten, Aishem shenafen sashfen rompe, Nsherem ptime hitehi, Etve uatet shachen sapen chois, Impitinakem pi, Interitomen pro, Aihma ossa wo ayopem peflusen tauta afnai, Wenta kanuhot, Wen hene sau men hen to orum mau, Anehiome mo oshe pesite perpe, Awalet kinuel, Aniehun, Nshachen mas, as choem paeu, pason shaf chercher hempiah, when kyomuche, so temeroi tareker sabe, intak kinem pecho ome naston, nim pentafuahek tai, escha nokke nechen refsha are vol hempnife empnute, ias po hraie choten in kitmentero empnute, men la auen rome naime roffen sahanok, hapes pe eron trenerpete shishen waishnim.
Vocabulary.
Rome, schime, son, sone, raite, kime, erro, erru, waset, main, piero, tuot, shafe, shu, tou, kah, pe, re, ooh, siu, hre, oik, mou, utah, imhit, res, ement, yebet, choome, chomens hai, emu, uhor, hof, kiamul, waahe, hashet, bote, bal, het, bashe, noob, hat, benipe, she, hebes, wain, berekiot, sote, sefe, chache, klom, emperro, seger, chaschesen kime, felafel, mhawe, fisme, yerbaone, chocolata, magad, pethul, manersha, masjid, apoute, chenepur, benne, refarosh, rokhe, towe, boishi, hik, sebe, butuga, porsches, ne, oke, lakhent, papoi, chie, shoshen, msah.
The Annunciation to the Blessed Virgin Mary.
Pkinchiwo etronet mamaat Miriam. Hempe mehsauen ebot, au chauen Gabriel pape malache vol hitempnute o baken tet Galilae pesran pe Nazaret. Shaurone au sheptote sanuhae pe fran pe Yusef e vol hempe en David, au pranen troune pe Miriam. Awon terefvoknas e hun pe chafnas che, wachai tet mihleke, pchois nemme, eres mama aten hetu hen hiome, entas roas storte rechempshache, awon smok me kummosche che washe mine pe peitaimute, peche pape malachnas che, imperhote Miriam, e kine roen hmoten nahrem pnute, is heete, tenau oen tachpoen ushere en temute pe franche, Yeshu, paif na shope en nocha wos en amote rof chepshere en petchose, pechois penute natinaf en tesero en David pe Siōut. Awof na erro e chempe en Jacob shanieneh, awo mon hae na shope en defmentero, peche Miriam kem pape malachche, en ashen he pa en shope en piswen hout, a pape malach ke woshep pechafnas che, unife fwa ab petneu ehraye cho, awo te kyomen petchose pet nair haibes ero, et vepai petenachpa fe fwa ab senamute rof chepshere en pnute, awo is Elisabeth terem raite, entos ho sanas hoe no shere hentes ment hello, awo pesmeh soe ne bot pe paitaye shaumute ros cheta chrein, chenne la awen shache erat kyomen nahrem pnute, pechas ken kimeriam che, is heete, angthem halem chois, mares shopenai katapekchache, awo apape malach voke vol hita otes.
A prayer to Isis.
Utu bah e ise. Nehse, 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 nehse en hotep, nehse en nofre, neben tesi, waben en hotep, waben en nofre, en dore en ponach, nofre en tpe en hotep, pto en hotep, nude tsheeren ne, tsheeren geb, meriten usire, den dore et Henran, Henonah Ero, Diu Washatem Mo, Tneb Ese.